Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you some simple ways to fix Spotify if it is not playing music on your Windows PC. First, open the Spotify application and try playing a song. If the song does not start playing, click the pause button and then click play again. Sometimes a temporary problem can prevent Spotify from starting playback. Next, check your internet connection. Open your web browser and visit a website to make sure your internet is working properly. If your internet connection is slow or disconnected, Spotify may not be able to play music correctly. Now go back to Spotify and click your profile picture in the top right corner. Here, you can check the update status. If you see you're updated, it means Spotify is already running the latest available version. Next, close Spotify completely and open it again. After restarting Spotify, try playing the same song again. You can also check Spotify from your Windows settings. Open Windows Settings, then select Apps and choose Installed Apps. In the search box, type Spotify. You'll now see Spotify in the list of installed applications. Click the three-dot menu next to Spotify to view the available options. The options can be different depending on your Windows version and Spotify installation. For this tutorial, we won't uninstall Spotify or change any advanced settings. Simply close the settings window and open Spotify again. Now try playing a song one more time. If the song starts playing normally, the problem may have been temporary. Also make sure your Windows volume is turned up and the correct speaker or audio output device is selected. These simple checks can often help when Spotify is not playing music. And that's how you can troubleshoot Spotify playback problems on a Windows PC. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for more Spotify tutorials.